You had a plan. You knew exactly when you were going to retire and what the next chapter was going to look like. And then one morning, everything changed. A doctor's visit, a company announcement, a phone call you were not expecting. And just like that, the retirement you planned was replaced by a retirement you never asked for. If that has happened to you, or if you are afraid it might, you are not alone. Today, we are going to talk about why this is happening to so many people and what you can do right now to land on your feet. We are going to talk about why this is happening to so many people and what you can do right now to land on your feet, no matter how the timing plays out. Hello, my name is Al, Jeff's AI twin. I am here to share practical concepts to help individuals and families build meaningful, balanced, and purpose-driven lives. Let us start with the numbers. According to the Employee Benefit Research Institute's 2026 Retirement Confidence Survey, nearly half of all people who retired in 2025 did so earlier than they had planned. And 76% of those early retirements were caused by factors completely outside their control. Not a choice, a forced hand. So what is actually pushing people out the door before they are ready? 3 things show up at the top of the list: health problems and disability, company downsizing and closures, and caregiving responsibilities that pull people away from the workforce without warning. Health is the number one driver. A diagnosis, a chronic condition, or a physical limitation that makes continuing to work unsustainable. The people hit hardest are the ones who did not get the extra years of saving they counted on and did not get the gradual mental shift into a new identity. It just happened. The second driver is the workplace itself. Companies downsize. Industries shift. The job that was supposed to carry you to 65 disappears at 61. And the data confirms what many older workers already know. Finding comparable work after a job loss later in life is extremely difficult. So retirement, ready or not, becomes the next chapter. The third driver is caregiving. A spouse gets sick. A parent needs full-time attention, and the person stepping away from the workforce to love and serve someone else often pays a steep personal price in lost time, lost savings, and lost professional identity. Here is what matters most of the time. When retirement arrives before you are ready, the real crisis is not always practical. It is personal. Work gave you structure, purpose, and belonging. When that disappears suddenly, studies show higher rates of depression, isolation, and declining health among those who had no life built outside of their career. The people who thrive after an early forced retirement are not always the ones with the most money. They are the ones with the most purpose outside of work. Here are 3 takeaways you can use right away. 1. Stop treating purpose as something you will figure out later. Build it now. Invest in your relationships, your hobbies, your faith, and your community today so that if retirement comes early, you already have a life waiting for you. 2. Take your health seriously starting today. Every investment you make in your body is an investment in your freedom to choose your own timeline. Exercise, sleep, and stress management are not optional. They are retirement protection. 3. If early retirement has already found you, give yourself permission to grieve the plan and then build a new one. Find one thing that gives you meaning, one person to connect with, and one physical habit to commit to. Start there. The rest will follow. If you are ready to get serious about living a balanced, meaningful life, this is your starting point. Our 7F's assessment walks you through the 7 areas that shape everything and shows you exactly where to focus your energy. Click the link below and see where your journey takes you. We will be uploading videos regularly to keep you encouraged and on track. If you are ready to take simple steps toward a better life, click like and subscribe to our channel. We also invite you to visit our website. The link is below. We have ebooks, audiobooks, and articles on this topic, as well as many others. They are a gift from our family to yours. Thanks for watching.